we're getting closer and closer on this thing. Hopefully we can wrap it up. Maybe not in this video, maybe the next one, maybe, I don't know, but I'm gonna try to get it done soon, really soon. Thank you. Okay, stay tuned, watch this. We got stuff done. There was a blue motor in there with a orangish, grayish, faded-ish transmission. I didn't film it because I forgot, but I got that out and there. And it is painted bright red, which is kind of a contrasting color, I believe, to that. It might be ugly, it might not. We'll see what it looks like. I pretended to be chip boost for a few days, and I did the contrast color thing, so just the really cheap version of cheap masking tape and rattle can. But it turned out, I think, pretty well. I need to do one more coat, and I think we should be done with this bad boy. And then Sean's going to assemble it with the transmission, which you can see right there. Also red, so is the floor. All right, guys, a lot of time lapse there. You saw us getting a lot of stuff done on this thing, and we are close. So I'm just going to show you. I went to work today. I came home and, well, I went to work yesterday. I came home, and this thing looks dang near almost done. So motor-wise, at least. So let me show you this. It looks fantab. Just check it out. All right, here we are. Holy smokies. So Sean got this beautiful, couldn't even tell you the brand, but holy Batman, that's nice. There's a box somewhere. I'll put that maybe in the description if I remember. I mean, it looks phenomenal. I mean, these are like billet or cast. They're billet aluminum, I think. The alternator looks insane. I think that's all the pulleys. We're not running power steering yet. We're going to hold off on that for now. He painted up the water pump, which got a little dirt on it there, but I mean, it looks cool. The whole theme with this was to go red because it's kind of like the cherry on top of all the mess, right? So it's outside's rough, inside's nice, motor bay's nice. Got to fix that overspray. We'll do that probably soon. And yeah, just get her in. So we got this carb on here. I think it's, okay, just set on there. That is I believe it's a Holley. I'm not sure what size, but it's a Holley. It came with the motor when he bought it on Craigslist or the marketplace or something. Beautiful carburetor. I think it was on there. But yeah, so this is in. You've got a spacer plate under it, as you can see. It should just vacuum itself in a lot of air. Yeah, and then we got to get the headers on. I think you got the header on this side. They're just kind of like ram horn looking headers because we didn't have a lot of room. So we're going to run the tubes where we needed to run the tubes. But yeah, this thing is phenomenal. It is in. We are just about done. I'll show you guys what that runs into. I had a shop get together, so we had to throw everything in the truck and then roll it in the driveway and then do shop partying things. So it looks messy in here, but it's okay. Bada bing, bada boom. There's the trans we painted bright red you guys saw. Steering column is in. The steering wheel was on when we were rolling it in and out. It is awesome. I don't know what he's got going on here. Sean's been busting this thing out while I've been at work. We painted this brown. Sean painted that brown. The gauge cluster surround is brown, and then the glove box is brown, and then that white piece right there will be brown. We wanted this as nice as could be. I mean, it's just fantastic. That tag was on it when he got it. That's kind of a cool, I guess, hard to find tag he was saying. So that's there. Fuel tank's hooked up. I don't know where the steering wheel went. I'm just holding it there for reference, but I mean, it looks really good. Some people might not like it, but it kind of has that billet looking, not billet, I don't know. It's nice. It's a good looking wheel. It's wood, which is cool. Yes, so here's the gauges. They're upside down. I don't want to screw up how Sean has these wires organized, but it's got that brown frame around it and then the chrome looking. We were going to paint this, but it's just too nice, so we didn't. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So it's in there. It's good to go. Cannot wait to get that in here soon. And then probably the next episode, we're hoping to get the carpet in and the interior done. The seat is awesome. You guys will see that. You guys will see that when we get it in. Sean got a Holley Red Fuel Pump. So those are obviously a great product. We're running a lot of Holley stuff on this. Holley, good brand. Shout out to them. Not a sponsorship thing right there. I wish, but anyways. All right, guys, this is turning out phenomenal. This has kind of been a vision of mine, vision of Sean's. I've always wanted to do a truck that was rough on the exterior and then really nice engine bay, really nice interior. Maybe the bed was nice. And then obviously have modern components under it like this one does for the most part. And just make it cool. So getting a lot of comments on the ride height. We are going to go lower. It's just we want to get everything in and be done, and then we can adjust to where we want it because, you know, you add motors and weight, it kind of messes with it. So we still don't even have shocks under it. So we're getting close. I appreciate you guys so much for watching Brand 5 Garage. We're getting there. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you hit the like and then also subscribe, that would be cool because they're great. It helps me out a lot. Okay, so anyways, thanks for watching Brand 5 Garage. I'm out.